Welcome back to Married and Blended. And if you're brand new, it's cool. Welcome to our Married and Blended channel.
Welcome guys. So today we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're celebrating Ethan's 12th birthday.
12 years old.
Yeah, big. So
I met him when he was three. 3 years old.
Time flies.
Yeah.
So
that means we're getting old. Anyway, go ahead.
You're getting old. So
now
today,
it's me. Okay.
so we're having a little get together for him. Social distancing is still a thing, and we'll be around for a while. So we almost will have not too many people there, just for him. He's gonna have a game truck. So him and his friends will get a chance to just let loose and play video games and DJ and just do all sorts of fun things. So we're in the process of setting up right now, and some light decorations and a little bit of cooking, because again, there's not that many people coming. And yeah, so stick around.
So here's the deal. I'm here to pick up a cake. I just drove about an hour, stuck in traffic, because we're excited to see the cake. I'm waiting for the cake lady. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait. That cake better be good. It better look good, and it better be good. All right. Nice. All right. I have secured the package. We have it. It is in my possession, safe and sound. Now it's time to go have this party and have fun. Should I show you guys? I guess we get a quick sneak peek. Yeah, I'll show you. Real quick. Boom! Kinda love it. I'll give you a better picture, as we start the party and put it out on the table and stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be good. I love it. We had a cake from this person before, so it should be delicious. It better be delicious. All right. So, Ethan, he loves video games. He absolutely loves video games. I thought I loved video games when I was younger, but this kid freaking loves video games. Specifically, he loves Plants vs. Zombies. So, this is what we have for his party. Show you something else that we got going on. Show you something else. Let's show you something else. I promise you, this is cool. This is super duper cool. We got a lot going on. A lot. Granted, remember COVID-19. So not a lot of people at the party. But check it out. Check it out.
Look. Look like sanitizing. Doing the due diligence. Okay, something about masks. I'm very happy with the level of precaution that they're taking. Like, extremely happy. And they did demonstrations on how to put on masks, even though we should all know by now. But they're really good.
So can you explain what we have going on over here?
So this is a game truck. It's outfitted with the latest games and game systems and consoles and big screen TVs. There is a DJ along with it, and the photographer as well. The lady works as a photographer. And so games are inside and outside. And the kids were advised to not sit on the truck the whole time. Duration of 3 hours to give some air and just to.
They're wearing masks.
They have to wear masks. Yes, they should. They have to wear masks. It's a rule. So yeah, it's fun. I'm excited. There's other games that came along with it. You can see Morgan is over here doing her thing. Morgan, you having fun?
What are you playing? What are you playing?
I'm playing
Nice. Put it back.
Daddy, put your camera down.
You want me to put the camera down?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put the camera down. Give me one moment, okay?
Put the camera down right here.
Okay, so we can play together? I do want to play with you, Morgan. Of course I do.
So we have, as Carolyn mentioned, we have a video game truck.
I told you guys, this kid is a gamer. Ethan, you better not lose on your birthday.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get a mask on. We're gonna go in there. I'm gonna show these kids how to really play video games, cause they don't really know how to play games. Well, shit, oh, that's.
Come show me how to play.
What you playing?
Got my tongue leaked.
Woo, okay. Okay.
So what I'm gonna do right now is give you a true look on the inside of the game truck. This thing is cool, man. Come on, come with me, come on.
Okay, Sean probably not beating me. You can't beat me.
All I play is 2K.
Huh?
All I play is 2K.
All you play is 2K? So you shouldn't lose.
Yay!
Good stuff. Birthday boy.
Thank you.
How you feeling, E?
I feel proud.
Feel proud? Good.
I'm 1 year older.
And 1 year wiser than you were before. And you're also 1 year away from being a teenager. That's a big deal. Don't turn into a teenager and switch up.
Just cut the cake, man. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Huh? You getting bit up, Morgan?
I don't cut well.
All right. So we are here the very next day. We're getting ready for the beach right now.
Mommy.
Baby, you're not gonna say that?
I was trying to get the car keys out of your pocket.
You just,
We went to the beach. And I'm tired from prepping for the beach sandwiches and all that good stuff. But, but it'll be worth it either way. And so,
all right. So again, the very next day, I want to see before we go to the beach. I just want to see what Ethan has to say about his party. You know, that's it. Hey.
Yeah.
You look like you're busy, but talk to me. What do you think about your party, man?
Okay. It was honestly pretty fun. My day was lit.
It was lit. So tell me about the party.
Alright. Most of the time I was at the game truck. Everyone was there.
Okay. And so the game truck was clearly your favorite part.
Yep. I was going in and I was going out.
But which games were you playing the most?
Mortal Kombat and Super Smash Bros.
Man, how you didn't even play me in Mortal Kombat, man? You should have told me. I used to play that when I was younger.
I actually played Mortal Kombat once too.
Man, listen. My generation is really the generation that started all these video games. I just want to let him know that.
Okay. We all know that.
Alright, so nonetheless, you are now 12 years old. This is your last year before you become a teenager. And you got some big things, man. You got a lot of things that you got to accomplish this year, man, to prepare. And you're becoming a man, getting older, becoming more responsible. You have your little sister. You're about to have a little brother. So much. Look, you just got your braces. Look at you. You ready to go to the beach? All right, let's go. All right, world. I will see you guys next time. Peace.